Another quick video for you here. In this video, I want to introduce you to BUSD. Well, I say introduce. As I'm sure you remember, when we looked at the further glossary of terms videos a few videos ago, BUSD was a term that we went through. The reason I wanted to give it its own quick little separate video here is because BUSD is something that's important that you understand, because you may end up using BUSD quite a lot. So let's really make sure that you understand exactly what this is, and let's go through exactly what BUSD is in this video. So firstly, BUSD is a cryptocurrency, and it stands for Binance US dollars, but it is a particular type of cryptocurrency. It's known as a stablecoin, and what that means is the price will always be the same. BUSD is pegged to the price of $1. In other words, one BUSD will always be worth $1. The price will not change. It will always be $1. Now, do you remember me saying when we were talking a few videos ago also, when we were really getting clear between the term centralized and decentralized? And do you remember me saying at centralized exchanges, such as Coinbase and Binance, you can transfer in fiat, currency, but at decentralized, you can't. At decentralized exchanges, such as PancakeSwap, you have to use cryptocurrency. This is where BUSD comes in, because BUSD is pegged to the price of $1, but it is digital dollars. So if you essentially want to hold dollars in PancakeSwap, you would buy BUSD, and you wouldn't have to worry about the fact that your crypto may be going up or down, because you'll know that it's always $1. So it's actually a really cool thing to know, and a really handy thing to have as well, because you can purchase BUSD at PancakeSwap, you'd store it in your MetaMask, and then if you ever wanted to purchase anything in the future and maybe not trade some of your crypto, then you could just use your BUSD that you have in your MetaMask. So BUSD is essentially digital dollars. It's a cryptocurrency, and one BUSD will always be worth $1, and you can buy BUSD at PancakeSwap. Okay, so let's summarize. What do we accomplish in this video? Well, I introduce you to BUSD. It's a stable coin. It's always pegged to the price of the US dollar. One BUSD equals $1. We might go and buy some BUSD as we continue here in week 4. We'll see. We may not need to, may not want to, but we now have the option to, and we will come back to this as we progress, okay? But I just want you to understand what BUSD is. Essentially, it's a digital dollar. That's the easiest way to kind of get our head around what it is. So what do I want you to do now? Absolutely nothing. Say it again. What song was that from? Edwin Starr, was it? I seem to recall. Showing my age here, aren't I? Tell me if you remember that song in the in the comments below. Right. See you in the next video.